Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk through how to apply an e-Ayush visa for travel to India in order to seek treatment through Ayush system, which is also called Indian Systems of Medicine. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. And good news is that Government of India has extended e-visa facilities to uh, more locations. All right. So on this page, you have a link, apply for an visa. You see that e-Ayush visa is there. If you click on this link, they have given information 60 days from the date of arrival and you get three entries. Okay. And for attendant, same. We'll go for attendant also in some other video. But let's start with e-Ayush visa. So click here for apply. The very first thing you need to select is your nationality. So I'm doing sample, everything is sample here, not real information. But when you do it as per your or your own case. If you have a defense, military, security, police background, servicing retired or hold an official path, please note that you are not eligible for e-visa for India. You are advised to apply for regular visa. Okay. Passport type, port of arrival, let's say New Delhi, my favorite location. Date of birth as per your location, not what you see here. Just sample. Uh, okay. Email ID important. I'll just do. What should I do? I have to confirm also, right? Oh, I know why it is showing invalid. Be very careful with your email ID because that is where this notification will be sent. So make sure it is valid and entered correctly. Okay. Now it is asking which one. This is very important. So I select e-Ayush visa. Okay. Treatment under Ayush system, Indian system of medicine. Wow. Expected date of arrival when you are going. So let's say you are going. Okay. Now, how many days before you can apply is also there. So I think it's 120 days, but I'm not sure. You can read the FAQ and find out. Let's say you're traveling sometime in April 30, and you have to complete this captcha. I'm very bad in doing that. I don't know why. Read the instructions. What are the things they have asked? Colored photograph, less than 1 meg, passport page, letter from hospital concerned in India on its letterhead. So you need a letter from hospital, your passport, your recent passport photo. Now it is going to the next page. Have some patience. Do not lose it. Sometimes it could be slower. Okay, so the page has been populated. You can save and temporarily exit, or you can save and continue. Now, your application details that you have to enter, be very careful, exactly as per your passport. So make sure you enter like that. This again sample, not real. Okay. Have you ever changed your name? Then do this. Otherwise, move ahead. Do it as per your case or as per your passport, I would say. These are very sample questions. Citizenship, national identity number, if not applicable. I'm putting some number. If religion, wow, just sample. Visible mark, what I would say, mole. This is not on me, I'm just writing sample. I don't have a mole on my forehead. Educational qualification, graduate I selected. By birth, did you get this nationality by birth or naturalization? I said it by birth. Have you lived at least 2 years in the country where you're applying visa? I select yes. Passport details. Again, be very careful. This is most important section. Place of issue. Read your passport and write according to that. Of issue. Date of expiry. Any other valid identity certification held? I select no, but a lot of people have it, right? Like other identification documents, but passport IC number it's asking. So I'll not do that. But if it is applicable to you, you can definitely just save and continue. Next section. Okay, present address. Just sample guys, this is not real address. So it is ask for set, right? So I'll just zip code. Just sample. Phone number. One contact you have to put. So I'll just put mobile. Okay. If you live at the same permanent address, just do that. Father detail, mother detail. Wow. So many details. Huh? Father detail. Just I'm writing sample. Nationality. mm, Place of birth. Country. Mother name. Nationality. Previous previous nationality. I don't think this is required, right? Yeah, previous nationality is what? I misread the question. I apologize. Place of birth means if it is applicable to your case, definitely do. But in this present sample, I had misread, so I had removed it. Country, region of birth, applicant marital status, Whether parent, grandparent, Pakistan national belong to Pakistan held areas, I select no. Present occupation, let's say you are an engineer. Name of business, a sample. I'm just putting mandatory field, but you have like other information like designation, phone. Definitely provide that information. Why to hide it? Okay, places to be visited that you need to put. I'll just say India. See, now these questions are for treatment under Ayush system where you're gonna see medical certificate number. I'm just putting sample, hospital name. No record found of this medical certificate. I'm not sure I will be able to cross this. Okay, so it's linked. So I won't be able to cross from here. But this is anyway last page before you finally submit. So I can give you the walkthrough and this video will be complete. Medical certificate, like the document that you get from hospital, they will have this information, medical certificate, address, phone number, type of medical treatment required. If you have ever visited India before, select yes, otherwise no. If you have even been refused to travel to India or extend stay, if yes, provide the information. Country visited in last 10 years, provide that information. SAR country visited during 3 years. If you have visited, select yes. If not, no. Reference name in India, it is good for your hospital, right? Hospital contact person. Name in Canada, put that, save and continue. Next, upload documents and then pay the fee. And then it goes to the process. And if granted, you are all good to go. So that's how it works, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.